Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Every summer, my family takes a few trips in Japan. We share our experiences and travel tips on the blog. We talk about what to see, what to eat, and how to get around in case you want to visit. Last year, we went to Hiroshima and Kyushu, and we just shared a post about Hiroshima. Today, I will share with you one of the most popular food from Hiroshima, oysters. In Japan, cooked oysters are more common than enjoying them raw. So today I'll show you 3 ways to enjoy grilled oyster with ponzu. Let's get started. The citrusy soy sauce goes really well with oysters, and I hope you will give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy Japanese recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. またね!